I like trains.
Hello everyone, I'm here at Monrovia, Maryland, the CSX Old Main Line subdivision. We have M411 approaching westbound with a MAC leading. Very short train. Here it comes. What the? Huh? What the heck? And it's empty coal hoppers? Okay, I'm glad I went for this. That was like a power move. No wonder it's going fast. Yeah, this is a very short train. That's it. All right, well, that's what I call a power move. We got one more train coming up here. The M412. Stay tuned for that tomorrow.